ENA Electronics Laboratories is a proudly Canadian company with over 20 years' experience. We provide industrial electronic repair services and electronic engineering services to any industry that uses automation in their processes. Our name has become synonymous in the industry with quality and innovation. ENA provides industrial electronic repair of various items such as drives, HMIs, teach pendants, PLCs, and printed circuit boards. ENA is #1 for electronic reverse engineering in Canada. Our worldwide reverse engineering services are designed to support obsolete and unsupported legacy systems that are no longer on the market. Whether it be for nuclear, military, or automotive services, our reverse engineering department has you covered. As a repair and maintenance provider, ENA Electronics can repair a wide range of electronic components that are integral to wind and solar farm operations. ENA is the exclusive Canadian distributor for Avid controls and stock both Delta Type 27 and 28 inverters. Our experienced servo motor repair laboratory can test and restore all makes and models of servo motors. Our laboratory is just that, a laboratory. ENA Electronics is a state-of-the-art engineering firm. Regardless of what service you require, you can rest assured and depend upon our quality, customer service, and passion when ENA takes on your next project. Solving yesterday's challenges with today's technology. Visit enaelectronics.ca.